Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's time for the security updates. We are the second Tuesday for the month of December 2022. So today is Patch Tuesday for Windows 10 and Windows 11 and also a Windows 8.1. Keep in mind that you're on 21H1. This is your last Patch Tuesday updates. So here on my Windows 11 machine, I have a cumulative update for Windows 11. That's KB5021255. We got a cumulative update for .NET Framework, another one for .NET Core, and a Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool update. On the Windows 10 machine, I've got a cumulative update for Windows 10, which is KB5021233. And we have security updates. It's interesting. There's a cumulative update and there's a security update, which is KB5012170, which is the old update. Isn't that the old update that I was talking this week? So I got it now on Windows 10 at the same time. That's interesting. Cumulative update for .NET Framework, 3.5, 4.8, and so on. And there's a Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. So both Windows 10, Windows 11, and here we go, pending restart. Here it says restart required, 5 minutes estimate. And I also have restart. The updates seem to have installed quite fast, so I'm not sure how many updates or many fixes, but we'll come back with a complete report of what's in Windows 10 and what's in Windows 7. Windows 7, Windows 11 in the next videos. Each video will be separate so that we'll check what's in there, what's the fixes, and what does it actually do. So check it out. Windows 8.1, Windows 10, and Windows 11 security updates are now available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.